Today, the Panasonic-Leica 12-60mm f2.8 to f4 lens arrived. Back in the days, I would roll my eyes when I heard anyone says she would like to own a Leica because the ridiculous high price and low specs put it in a luxury category that makes absolutely no sense for practical users, for 99% of people. Well, today I still don't understand why people want Leica, but heck, I found a Leica that I want. This Leica 12-60 for Micro Four Thirds system is an absolute beauty of elegance and class. The full metal construction is robust, linear, cool. It felt so cold in my hand when I first took it out of the box. Now this lens is a small upgrade to my Lumix 12-60 f3.5 to 5.6 lens, a very small one, so small that the images out of them are nearly identical. At its best, there is only one stop of light improvement in terms of aperture. The parfocal capability is quite neat though. When I zoom in and out with my Lumix kit lens, the camera has to struggle to refocus. I also own the Sigma 17-70mm f2.8 to f4 lens with focal reducer adapted on my GH5. Technically, it's a whole stop faster than this Leica lens. However, a neat native lens that is much more compact and offers full autofocus and dual IBIS functions is definitely a plus in my book. Still, practically speaking, if you only look at the essential specs such as focal length and aperture, then this lens is not worth the $800, $900 price tag. That's why I got it secondhand. But something about this lens is just so enchanting, captivating. The aesthetics is beautifully designed. The details in functionality is superb. It's an accessible luxury that once in a while we can indulge ourselves to enjoy. Anyways, I can't wait to shoot more with this lens, and I don't think a review will come too soon because I do want to do a more thorough test comparing it against the Lumix 12-60 as well as the Sigma 17-70. It's going to be fun, and eventually I will sell the Lumix 12-60 and also the Sigma 30mm f1.4 to justify this purchase. Alright, thanks for watching and stay tuned.